What's up YouTube, it's Mooks here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use Davinci Resolve if you're a beginner. Whether you're learning Davinci Resolve or you're just learning editing for the first time, this video is for you. This video was suggested by the old dude Mindset. He commented and asked a question about Davinci Resolve. If you want to be featured in the next video, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn post notifications, and I'll try to answer your question in the video. So let's get started. Davinci Resolve up. Link to download the software will be in the description below. You gotta press create new project, the button new project, and I'll just name it like custom. Okay. So for this video, it's just gonna be the basics, like get you started. So we're only gonna use the edit tab, and the deliver tab. So what you want to do is go to the media tab and click on master. Click on master and right click new bin. So a bin is pretty much like a folder. So this is where you save like different files and stuff. So normally I have a video folder and audio folder, but for this case I'm just gonna make a song folder. So this is where I'm gonna store my footage for the video. Right click, import media, and what you want to do is just choose the media you have. I'm just going to choose this one. So it's asking if you want to change the frame rate. So I normally say change. That's what you need to do for now. And then for song, just press import media, and I'm going to import one of my favorite non-copyrighted songs, Better Days. Okay, so what you want to do next is go to the edit tab, and I drag and drop my audio and video. So this is my video, and I'm also going to drag and drop my song. Okay, so pretty much the video track would be in blue, audio track would be in green. If you want to add more video or audio tracks, just press right click on the track and add track and add a track. Okay, so let's give you some of the basic stuff. Let's say you want to make your media get shorter. So like what you can do is press Alt and use your mouse, and you can go up or down and to make it bigger or shorter. This is just helps you edit the video and gives you more space. Okay, so another thing, let's say I have some imperfections in my video and there's some stuff I want to cut out. What you can do is click B on your keyboard, and that activates the blade tab. So I'm just gonna cut like a bunch of stuff I don't want, and what you can do is press A, and pretty much it goes back to selection, and just press delete. Boom. I'm gonna drag all the way back here. One thing I found pretty useful when I was a beginner, I didn't know how to, let's say detach the audio and the video clip, right? Let's say you have to, add an external audio and you can't use the same audio. So what you do is right click on link clips. I think it'll help you a lot, and you can like delete just the audio. Command Z to bring it back. Okay, so now I taught you guys how to cut video, right? So one thing I normally do is I add some text. So if you go to titles, there's a ton of different things you can use. I'm just gonna do basic, lower third, left lower third. Add that here, and let's see. Okay, just drag this back here, and hold on, I'm just gonna lower the volume a little bit. Okay, so this title, I'm gonna make it smaller. I'm just gonna edit it, and then put my name on it. Let's just say as an example. Okay, and that's how you add text. You just go and then drag and drop it onto the edit tab. And let's say you want to add some effects. Okay, so what you want to do is go to choose some effects. I go to toolbox, and I'm gonna do some video transitions. So what I'm gonna choose is a cross dissolve, and I'm gonna drag and drop that to the video. Yeah, okay. So there's another thing is called the inspector tab. This inspector tab helps you do the finer details. Let's say I want to zoom in, right? That's pretty much the inspector tab. You can zoom in, zoom out, rotate the clip, turn it a little bit. Okay, and just you see it has the crossfade. Okay, and let's say this Better Days song is just way too loud. Again, go to click the audio, go to inspector. I'll lower the volume a little bit. Okay, so that's what I want. I'm just giving an example. Normally I won't edit this like this, turn it all the way around, but I'm just showing you with the inspector tab what you could do. Just gonna go back to 0. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you something before I rendered this video. This song is just way too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it shorter. So just use your regular cursor and just drag it to the point where you want it to end. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty good. Now I have to do it. So now let's say you're done with your clip. This clip's amazing, gonna get a lot of views. Press deliver, and this is where you export your video. So I normally click on YouTube and then put my file name. I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna put it as custom or something. I just did it for the video. Browse, and you can save it on a folder. I'm just gonna save it here, and I'm gonna call this custom. I don't know why I chose custom. Random thing came in my head. So frame rate, I'd say keep it the same, and a video, it should be H.264. That's the smallest file, so it won't take up too much space. I don't click upload directly to YouTube, so you want to save the file on your computer, and press add to render queue, and then pretty much say start render. If I helped you, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Check out some of these videos somewhere down below. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you guys.